Okay, see, if you are planning to use the SSO with the Okta, uh, there is an option with the Auth 2. So first of all, let's just land on this Okta page. We have this okta.com. We have many options to use the SSO, Okta SSO. So uh, I would say let's just log in. Okay, go back. Free trial, believe we should use this. But this for this one, what we actually need a work email. Work email means my Gmail IDs will not work. So, and as of now, I don't have any domain purchased. I don't have any website hosted, and I don't have that domain, so I cannot have the email associated to my domain. So that's why I need to use my Gmail ID. And for this purpose, because I need to just do the development and just do the testing. So for this purpose, Auth 0 is the right choice. And for which, how could I do this? Like if I just go here, uh, I did the sign up with the Google, I believe so. But I can also log in on this. So for login, this is for sign up page, but for login, I believe, let me to check how we can do the login. Uh, okay, developer might be, this will be zero marketplace. I'm not sure, but I'm just trying to go to that particular page. Login, I believe, yeah, this one. Then lets me to just uh go in. Uh Fine. I will be logged in, I believe so. It's loading. Yeah. So now if you see here, right now I have 14 days left. And if I come here, there are many things. First of all, I just bring you to the application. So, and if you want to just find out the documentation for this thing, then you just click on this one. Uh, this will navigate to you to this particular page, documentation page for Auth 0. So here you can do this. Uh, Now I just take you to this application. So I have actually added one. This is the default application which is being created as soon as we log in, sign up on this page. But I have created one application, and if I just show you the application details, so uh, here are the settings. This is the application name. This is the domain. So you know that this is the domain created by default for me only, and this is the client ID, client secret, and description. And there are a few more settings which I have done already. So this is application is native, uh, and login URL I have set it up, and I just tell you, first of all, let me just to reshare this, uh, because there are a few things which I have to tell you. Okay, just wait. Just sharing my screen. Okay, I believe you are able to see my screen now. So, okay, I just give the example actually. In GWPF application, if I have to use the SSO with the Okta, with the Auth 0, it is not the Auth 2, it is Auth 0. Then there is an option. We have written some C# code there. We have some applications also there. So I'm just bringing you there. And if I just go the settings, I believe it is okay, it's a net already. Fine. Okay, fine. So if you see here, I have an application. This is just a test application, but I'm just showing you these URLs, why I have written this URL, why I have written this different URL here, and why I have written this URL here. So if I just come over here on this application, uh, first of all, I just show you how the Okta works on my application, developer application. Then I just give you all the details, because if I show you something working, then you will be interested to know how it is working, right? And why it is working. That's why. So let me to just bring you on that thing stuff directly. Okay. Let it load. Hmm. Apart from this page, this details, we have more details like cross origin authentication, session transfer, and IE token expiration also. I have mentioned 30 seconds, and refresh token expiration. And this one I have enabled as of now because I am using refresh token specific thing call also. And the root official period is 0. I believe we can set it up to 30. It's not a problem, but okay, if I save it, it takes 30 seconds to take effect, to be in effect. And apart from this, there are a few more things which I haven't set up till yet. And if I go to the more settings, then I have really many things here to work upon. These are the application metadata. And then we have few more things like social logins like Apple, Google, Facebook. We can do all of this with this Okta only. And Okta basically used for the organization specific logins, right? Not for just social logins. Uh, we have Auth. I actually think that I should be, if I have to work upon any project which requires Okta specific SO development, then definitely I need to first of all understand what kind of Okta, or the 0 or 2 or something else, and based OpenID Connect. And then based on that, I need to go to the documentation and videos for those, and then have to write few applications on that to understand how those things are work with Okta. Maybe I need to have the actual domain name so that I can go ahead with these testings. And then I can just decide like whether how this Okta basically works with, because I also need to use these Okta authentication with through these in my own APIs, my own develop the web APIs. So and even I have to use this authentication in my Angular or any app, MVC app. That's why I'm just thinking that I should be learning more these things. See, ODIC confirmant and this grant type, everything is there. I can check more things here. WS Federation certificates and endpoints. And yeah, now apart from this, we have API. As of now, I guess by default API I will be having in my case. Uh, okay, let's wait. API, yeah. This is the default API, I believe so. Uh, uh, and on editing, I have actually assigned everything to this, even all of the permissions and everything. And if I just come on the add-ons, I haven't used any add-ons as of now. There are two add-ons available. Connections wise, I believe, okay, my Gmail account, I have used my Gmail account to log in on this. That's why I have these access as of now. And login experience, I don't know what is this, but I think, yeah, it's my individual term. That's why. Fine. Apart from this, on the quick start, we have one more option to change the technology. If I click on the change the technology, I show you what I did earlier. So as I have to create an application which will be available to log in on my developer application. So that's why I have chosen this option. Which option? I have chosen this WPF WinForm option, and this way, and that's why it is showing me like a native. So there is a native, right? Apart from this, let me to just move on to this particular application. So if you see here the structure of the folder, uh ready to open actually. Okay, so you say that we don't have any extra file, we just have main window, uh and I just show you the main window first of all. So okay, in my main window, .xml. Mm, it's taking time. Meanwhile, I show you. So this way I have reached. Okay, on quick start, basically this also told me like how I have to write my WP application C# code to consume this Okta as a authenticator, right? So this way it told me that this one is where you can configure application for verb. Okay, fine. Uh, and then it's native. These suggested me how to configure the URLs. That's why I did so. Even I did this. So every step you, if you think that you how to know that how to do this, this is the step actually. This is what I have used actually for me. And everything is there. I have used my application in my application, right? And even there are refresh to specific details in this page. Along with that, we have this thing also. Fine. Let's check it here. Fine. So this is my XAML. We have a grid. We have three rows. One row have a buttons and second row have a data grid. Sorry, first row has an image user profile who is logged in. Second is the buttons and third is the data grid where I'm going to show all of the details which I receive after doing the login to this SSO. So there are three buttons. First is login button. Second is the refresh token button and third is the logout button. And I have actually used the code behind for this purpose. So if I just go to the code behind, you can see here, uh, I have actually created one more class, main window V model. In this class, what I have done, I have actually used created a few properties which I'm going to store the details of the after login. So these are the properties, everything, and yeah, these are the properties, right? And there is a method which I have created for my use to show the data or login data on this data grid with this data table. Everything I have used here. And if I just come over here, then this is the client which I'm going to use for the login. And this is a view model. And if I come here, then this is a code, client ID, my client ID, my domain, my redirect URL, same as which I have used on my web application. So if you see, you want to see here, everything is there on the setting page. So on the setting page, you know that this is my client ID, this is my domain, and this is my application, and this is the URLs. These three URLs I've used in my application. You can just check it. Fine, login profile and enable to open. And this one is also I have not written by myself. It is actually I have copy pasted from this page, which is this one. And after that, I have done this thing. And after that, once we click on login button, I just do the login. And after that, I just check whether the login response have error as error zero, as error true or false. If it is false, that means login has been done. So I am retrieving the details of the all details for the login and setting the table so that UI gets refreshed. Apart from this, for the logout button, I do the logout button, and I just show you a message. And for the refresh button, this is a code. So I just pick the older access token R. I pass it to the I pass the refresh token R to this method, and if I check whether the old token or new token are different. If these are same, this means it is not refresh. If these are different, this means it is a refresh. And I'm doing everything here. This is how it works. Let me just show you the working condition of this. If I run this application, hmm, okay, before going here, I show a few more things. Also, in APIs, I have already shown you that there is one default API, which is this one. SSO integration, I have not done anything on this, I believe so. Yeah. And for user management, there are users which I have created for me. I have my used few my Gmail IDs and assign the roles and everything, permissions and everything. These are the roles. I have created two few roles, and I mean everything is available here. Permissions, users, and security. Okay, fine. Actions. I need to explore everything. If I actually work upon any project which requires Okta integration for FSO, then I just immediately need to learn these things first. Now, if I show you here, so this is my simple application. Um, as of now, we have these things. I click on the login button. So on click of this login, the window which is being shown is not my own application. Okay, my not my own window. As of now, I decline it. Okay, but again, I just because I have actually seen that there will be a login button on this. Let's see. Okay, accept. When I accept it, I get the login detail data here. So everything is here, my access token, and everything is there, right? Now I just log out. So on logout, it's not refreshed this properly actually. So I just re-log in. And on re-login, I believe, right. This window is also not from me. I haven't developed it. It is coming from Okta itself. So I can use any other things here. This one actually, whatever details I am feeding here, credential, everything, I have actually created to user, and while doing this, all of this stuff, I have actually fed these details. Okay, so that's why everything is here. Fine, continue. See, I'm here, refresh token. Okay, so it is a refresh token, and then log out. So this is my application, and let me to just close this application as of now. So this is how I have used till now. And apart from this, I believe that I actually need to go to the documentation. Uh, and here I need to actually go through the things in detail. If I actually have to work upon any project which requires Okta integration for SSO, then definitely I need to go with this thing. Otherwise, there will be problems for me. Fine. Okay, thank you. We will explore more. And there is one more video from the I mean Auth Zero. Auth Zero. So although it is for Rezac,
हे
uh,
एवरीवन वेलकम बैक। और इस वीडियो में हम बात
but
करने
this is
वाले हैं
actually very
ऑथ
good
ज़ीरो। ऑथ
if I
ज़ीरो
have to
क्या
actually
होता है
use it
एंड कैसे हम
somewhere.
ऑथ ज़ीरो को
It's
यूज़ कर
very
सकते
helpful
हैं
for me.
हमारे रिएक्ट प्रोजेक्ट में।
Fine.
तो सबसे पहले
Then we
समझते हैं
will. Yeah, thank you.